and they found out difficult for survival because they come to fight. They met a lot of positronic or chemical. And Philippines acid shock. Okay. Only fall down. Fight, hit their abdomen or their empties.
Ouch. Yuck.
And rolling shock.
Naku, nakakatakot.
Spike.
Ay, ano na itsura mo, ha? Giniling. Barbecue ka na, ha? My God. Ouch. May poison din. Holding chair. Ouch. Oh my God. Patay ka talaga.
On the bottom, not the top, cover on the top, like they say. When final two convert from down for helicopter, get by the water plant. Nice on the ground,
Good.
When they went to the hospital, they jump follow them, the hospital, because they need them. And the sister jump also, please. When they put out another reception door, they hit them.
Ouch. Yuck. My God, paulit-ulit na ano. Siso. Fish chop.
That's it. This is the
Siso chop.
and they hang up the durian around the mango. And with the rope tin. And then with the hang up.
Ah, nakaano.
They need to jump on the ground. And when enemy back on, they didn't recognize and they had durian set off.
Aray. Ouch.
Door trap. You guys see?
Chongbo.
They hang up the trap inside the house.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
And they open the door. They're inside the house. Keep open. The trap set out.
Oh my God. Hinto muna kung baka tumama sa akin. Baka tumama sa inyo. May
No,
function dyan.
you can say sometimes they two level they hold up upper, lower, silky, hit there, belly,
Okay.
or under. No need go to Thailand surgery. Become lady boy.
Lady boy.
Kuya, parang inaano ka niya, oh, may masama siyang plano.
Mukhang gusto niya lang patay.
Kuya, oh, nakangiti pa siya habang ginagawa niya eh. Wala kang ibang lahat.
One entrance, many exit. How long is this?
It depends you. 20 meter, 40 meter.
Short only, short. Because they are
20 meter.
claustrophobic.
Maluwag?
20 meter.
Malamig? Malamig?
Let's go na, guys.
Tara, tiglan.
Ay, wait lang. Ah, may maliit pang papasukan. Ma'am, parang hindi ko kaya din.
O, hindi, pasok lang. Labas na. Sige na, Roy, labas ka na dyan kung hindi mo kaya kasi pag may kasama ka pa doon, ha? Sila, Tana, doon
Wait
sila.
lang, tingnan ko. Ayan, kaliit.
Dahil lang siguro maliit pagdating.
Iba-ibang
Uy,
size.
para may kasama ka. Doon, oh.
Iba-ibang size, bale.
Kaya ni Kuya.
Kaya ni Kuya, kaya natin yan.
Sige na nga.
Para may vlog yung mama mo, be.
Oo nga. Nag-vlog ka ba?
Oo, may video ko.
Tingnan si Kuya.
Ayan, galing ni Enzo. Very good si Enzo.
Kasi cute. Uy, yung phone mo ay kuya. Yung phone mo?
Guys, ito na. Papasok na kami guys sa tunnel.
Ayan, go. Wait lang.
Ang Jack, tandaan baka malaglag ko. Oh my God.
Ang cute lang to ah.
Kaya natin to guys. Let's go.
Kaya mo yan, Jaya.
Oh my God. Ma'am Jack.
Kaya mo yan, dahan-dahan lang. Ano, Jaya, kaya?
Kaya ko to.
Malamig. Walang flash lang. Kaya ninyo, may naghihintay dito. Mas mataas? Patay, upo. Nababa lang. Ah, wait, upo ko.
Malawak na dyan, Trish.
Hindi. Uy, dala ka na. Lalong lumit.
Ay, arito.
Diretso lang daw.
Wait lang guys. Hi.
Ay ko. Ang galing ni Enzo. Ang cute siya. Saan ito dala? Kanan kaliwa. Baka isa na ba? Wait lang.
Hoy, wait niyo kami.
Ay, wait na kami. Nandito ako. Antay ko kayo.
Ma'am Jack, go Ma'am Jack.
Wait lang. Coming. Wait lang. Doon sa may ilaw lang daw. Nasa left, nasa right. Kaliwa mo na. Dito, Ma'am Jack. Hindi, basta yung may ilaw lang daw.
Oh, yan. Ay, Diyos ko, salamat may hangin.
Tapos na? Ay, salamat.
Ay, thank you Lord.
Ako nakapag-video. Naka-video si ano?
Thank you Lord.
Si Jaya.
Na-survive Lord.
Naka-video ka, Jaya? Ayan,
Opo.
survive ni Jaya. Uy, ang ganda na ng content mo.
Diyos ko po. Diyos ko po, Lord.
Siyempre, 20 meters. Malamig sa loob. Pero sobrang baba. Yes.
Kaway-kaway.
Ate Glad, buti hindi ka pumasok na.
Bakit mahirap?
Medyo natakot ako.
And look up. Okay.
My gosh.
Okay, let's go.
Bahala kayo sa buhay niyo sa